Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick forum video. In today's video, we're talking about the new phone finally that came out on Boost Mobile's website. So it's finally official, and we can see the official specs and everything. Since most of it was kind of rumored at first, but now that it's officially on Boost Mobile's website, it's legit and everything. So let's get into it. First of all, I want to give a shout out to Jasmine. She is on Instagram. She actually let me know that they actually have this phone available now. So it's a good time to go check out and see how well it does. Also, the S10 is on Boost Mobile's website as well. So let's go ahead and check this out, guys. Like I said, these are two popular phones that everybody has been wanting. So let's get into it. So if we go to phones, I believe they only had the 10e before. Now they have the actual 10 and the LG Stylo 6. So here it is, the LG Stylo 6, and the price was about right. I said it was going to be about $150 to maybe $200. It's about $220, but of course Boost Mobile always gives you guys good deals. And like I said, these deals are for everybody. So this phone is $219.99, so $220 is what it retails for. But right now they have a $40 off discount. You can get it for $179.99, and of course they have an extra 20% off by using the code Memorial 2020. So wow, you can even save a lot more money on this phone. I think it's a very good price, and it's also a compatible device with the nationwide network, which is another good thing about that. So like I said, very cool. So here's the official look at the phone. Very nice. Here's the side, and it looks a little chunky. Same thing, the LG K51 is a thing I've noticed, that the phones do look a little chunkier. So it does have a teardrop notch on the top. Power button on the side as well. So there it is. As you can see, volume up, volume down, and then that right there, of course, same thing. Like I said, it looks like the K51 does have the Google Assistant button, but overall, I think it looks okay. I do like the back though. So here it is. It does have triple camera features, and of course that fourth one right there, that is the flash. It does have a fingerprint sensor on the back, which is very nice, and then the LG logo on the back. I do like this kind of colorway. It looks pretty cool. So it's like a purplish sand color, and then it lights up to like a green to a blue to a white. So it's pretty cool. It has different colors. I like that. So it's pretty cool and unique, So it says, express who you are to the world with the new LG Stylo 6, the device that enhances your hashtag mobile life and all the way you live it. Whether you're experiencing, creating, or sharing content, Stylo gives you unlimited potential even if you're on the limited budget. So like I said, of course LG Stylo is a budget note series. I would say replacement if you're really on a budget, can't afford $1,000 note or something like that, then you can definitely get this phone, especially at this price. It says from the 6.5 or 6.8 inch full HD plus full vision display to 3 spectacular rear cameras and built-in stylus pen, celebrate all the way you live the hashtag style life. So another cool thing, like I said, this device is compatible with nationwide network. So that's a network that you can get with that you can access excuse me, the T-Mobile network as well. So it's pretty cool that this device is. So I'm guessing most devices that are coming out in Boost Mobile will be. So that is a nice thing to have. Like I said, this phone does have a 6.8 inch display, 13 megapixel rear camera, 14.5 hours of talk time, 64 gigs of internal storage, so that's a big thing. And then Android 10, wow. So Android 10, you're getting out of the box already. So cool features. So let's go ahead and see. So it's a 6.8 inch full HD plus full vision display. Maximize your view with the 6.8 inch full HD plus full vision edge-to-edge display that provides total immersion into your favorite movies, shows, games, and content. Plus full HD plus resolution delivers the vivid visuals experience with clear picture quality. So like I said, hopefully it's 1080, but probably it'll be like 720 display or something like that. Triple camera system, see the world through not one but 3 lenses. The triple rear camera system captures the smallest of details in wide expansive view, all while keeping what matters in focus. Pretty cool. So I must say I did do a camera test on the K51. That's a video that will be coming up very soon, guys. I'm just finishing editing it. So You guys should see that pretty soon. So for my members, my channel members, you will get that a day ahead. And of course, you will be able to see sneak peeks on that as well. So thank you guys. Built-in stylus pen. So put your own spin on things with built-in spring-loaded stylus pen. Write, edit, doodle, sketch, color, and jot down notes on the go. Designed for precision and accuracy. The stylus improves the way you work and play. So like I said, very good if you're doing documents or anything like that for work. This phone might be for you if you don't want to spend $1,000 on the stylus of the Note series. So let's look at some of the specs here. Wow, so this does have a 4,000 milliamp battery plus fast charging, guys. So it does have fast charging. I'm not sure if it comes with fast charging, like fast charger, but if you do have fast charger, it's probably going to be a Type C. You will be able to charge it up pretty quick. Talk time, like I said, of 14.5 hours. The battery's not removable. Memory, it's 3 gigabytes of RAM. So 64 gigs of internal storage would support up to a 2 terabyte SD card. So LG always lets you put terabyte SD cards in there, even though they're really expensive. They're more expensive probably than the phone, so that's funny. But I guess if you have one laying around or from one of your other phones, it will work. Processor is a 2.0 gigahertz octa-core processor, so cool. Operating system Android 10, and then here's the cameras: 13 megapixel, 5 megapixel wide, 5 megapixel depth rear camera, and a 16 megapixel selfie camera. So wow, the selfie camera is actually better than than the rear ones. But like I said, lenses and all that stuff. Does not say what resolution it is, just says it's 6.8 inch Full HD plus full vision display with a stylus pen. Then of course there's dimensions there. Connectivity does have Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type C, like I was saying, and of course does have a headphone jack with a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which is nice. So that's on the Stylo 6. Let's look at that. So they are back in stock. I just checked earlier, guys, and actually these both were out of stock. So good thing they're back in stock. So the Samsung Galaxy S10 here's actually it's $100 off right now. And I don't know what's taking so long to load. There we go. Okay, so this one's actually out of stock, and I believe the Stylo is as well. Let's see. I don't know what's taking so long to load. Here we go. Oh, no, it's actually back. Okay, cool. So I'll think about getting it, but the Samsung S10 is actually out of stock. It's $650, guys. It's $100 off, plus you can get an extra 20% off, which is a big chunk off of $650, So I'm not going to do too much in depth, but let's just look at some of the specs. So like I said, same thing. This phone is compatible with nationwide network, so it's a nice thing to have. The screen's a 6.1 inch display. Like I said, Boost did offer the 10e, but not the 10 or the 10 Plus, so it's nice that they finally brought the 10. The camera's a 16 megapixel, which of course, this as being Samsung has a way better lens and everything than the Stylo or any other phone. I would compare it with iPhones and all that stuff, so it's a very good camera. Talk time's 34 hours. Good God. Storage, of course, is 128, and then it does have Android 10. Here's the phone, how it looks in the front, the side. So it's pretty cool. It does come only in black, I'm guessing. But there it is. It does have a triple camera sensors in the back, or camera lenses. Samsung, and then the S10. Then let's just look at some quick things here. Complete redesign to remove interruptions. It does have, it's a full on screen to screen, edge to edge. The bezels are very minimal, so that's great. It does have a in-screen fingerprint sensor, so you can do it on, it's on the glass or on the screen. You can do the power share with this, so if you want to charge another wireless capable device, you can. So of course this phone will charge that other device. After 30% of battery, it will shut that off. And then just to finish it off, let's just look at some of the quick specs. So the battery is a little bit smaller on this one compared to like the Stylo's 4000. This is a 3,400 milliamp battery. Talk time up to 34 hours, non-removable. Now this thing does have 8 gigs of RAM with 128 gigabytes of internal memory, and supports an SD card up to only 512 gigabytes. Not the 2 terabytes, but still is pretty big. Of course, processor will just slay anything out there except for like the 865 and some iPhones, but you know what I mean. Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, very strong processor. Operating system Android 10. Of course, you get a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle rear facing camera and a 12 megapixel front facing camera. Like I said, megapixels, it's not everything. This one only has a 6.1 inch quad HD plus dynamic AMOLED display. This is definitely more than 1080. Dimensions, there they are. And then of course Type-C 5.0 does do fast charging, and of course it does come with a fast charger in the box, and you can also wirelessly charge it. So overall, I think it's pretty good, guys. Like I said, right now you can use the code Memorial 2020 to save an extra 20% off on the LG Stylo 6 and the Samsung Galaxy S10. So check that out. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and more videos to come your way. Like I said, I'm working on a couple, and let me know if you want me to unbox the LG Stylo 6 and, you know, all that good stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and, you know, if you want to support the channel, you can check out Honey. Honey is a free web browser extension that also help find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic to save even more. I will have that all in the description below. Once you make your first purchase, I do get a small commission that helps out the channel. So thank you, guys.